50,000 meters of drilling this year, or at least 50,000 meters. It's more likely we will be drilling 58,000 meters, is about double the meterage that we completed over Mount York last year. And if you remember, in all of the drilling that we completed last year, we moved the resources from 1.4 million ounces at Mount York to 2.1 million ounces. So this year we're embarking on a much larger drill program, which should really mean that we are moving the project again upwards in terms of resource size. And I've always said that this project is a bigger project than 2.1 million ounces, and the 50,000 meters will enable us to grow the resources at the same time to complete the important infill drilling that we require for the pre-feasibility work. Yeah, so we announced this week that we are really embarking on the regional exploration of the greater Mount York area. And what that really means is in all the strategy that we've deployed to acquire the gold and base metal rights to a much larger area around Mount York, is that we're going to start to explore that district. We're really excited about this stage of the company's history. Deploying a large-scale air electromagnetic survey should, we think, give us the opportunity to target buried gold deposits that we can't see from surface directly. So for not much money, we can actually get a foundation data set that we really think we can use to drill additional gold targets in that area. You know, I keep saying again that one way to move the dial for shareholders to get shareholder growth through the shares is to find a new deposit. And this is exactly what we're doing with that regional targeting program. Yeah, we announced the appointment today of Jeff Bowen as the study manager for Pilbara Gold. Jeff comes with a wealth of not just study practice in developing gold projects like Mount York, but also he's taken projects through to development as well and construction. And that's really why we welcome Jeff to Pilbara Gold. We also announced the appointment of Martin Reed to the board. Martin is an extremely well-known and experienced mining engineer. He's going to sit on the board and effectively assist with the development of this project at Mount York. And I think the combination of those two individuals to the group really enforces that Pilbara Gold is bolstering the people and the clever people, the brains really, who are going to build this project. And if there was any ever sense of the market not believing that we could build this project, then I think that is a statement that says we are 100% committed to moving forward in studies, development and construction of the Mount York Gold Project. Yeah, we also announced this week that we are about to embark on a drilling program at Roe Hills. This will be a modest program of about 12,000 meters of drilling, mainly RC drilling, so it's quite quick. We've got the Aboriginal heritage approvals to proceed with the drilling. And this is a second project that we haven't said much about in the past, but we believe with the historic results, and we've had results in the past of 35 meters at a gram, but we've got evidence to suggest that this is a continuous zone of mineralization over at least 1.5 kilometers. And we believe that with a bit of extra drilling, we can see a maiden resource on this project, perhaps in 2026 or early 2027. The importance of that is that our company is an exploration company. We believe that adding ounces to the overall project base of the company is a good thing. Again, it's a good thing for shareholders, but the focus is still on Mount York and developing the project into a full-scale mine at Mount York.